friends, today I am showing how to make fresh apple juice. So fresh apple juice ingredients are needed: apple, 1 number of apple, and this apple I chop this apple. Then after needed sugar, 1 tablespoon sugar. Sugar is optional. You use sugar is used or not used. Then after needed rock salt, and you also use normal salt. Here I use rock salt because this rock salt taste is enhanced. And then after needed 1 glass of water. These are the 4 ingredients of fresh apple juice. Now let's see the after. Now let's see the next process. See friends, now I take a bowl, and then after added chopped apple. Then after needed 1 tablespoon sugar. Then after needed rock salt to taste, and you also used normal salt. Here I used rock salt because taste is some flavor. Taste is some enhanced, so I used rock salt. And then after needed 1 cup of cold water. Now see friends, this apple paste well properly. Friends, our apple juice paste well properly, beautiful color, and become a beautiful color. And now this apple juice strain well properly. See friends, now I take a strainer and a bowl. Now this apple juice strain well properly. Properly strain. See friends, these is the apple wastage things, and you also don't throw these apple wastage things. You also add your skin. This apple is more helpful for our skin. See friends, this is the apple wastage things, and this is the apple juice. This is the fresh apple juice, and this apple juice is now ready, and it is ready for serve. See friends, our apple juice is now ready. And if you like my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.